I was presented with a clinical scenario on a physician's chat, and I thought it pertained to what we do, and it would be a nice way to start this show. This was a female provider who was presented with a 50-something-year-old patient as a first visit, and the patient presented with multiple medical problems which overwhelmed the provider. The problems included weight gain, sleep impairment, depression, therefore mood changes, night sweats, and a lot of anxiety, poor libido. And the doctor was overwhelmed because she did not know how to put this all together in one visit. And so her comment was she asked the patient to present with only one symptom for the first visit so that she could help her solve that problem. And as I listened to this and I saw the scenario, I thought to myself, but this is one person with one system causing a problem, which is expressing in multiple symptoms.
She's menopausal.
There is only one root cause.
Yes.
And if you address the root cause of that problem, you will not only help the patient, but you'll also prevent, that consult to the psychologist, the consult to the pain doctor, the consult to the sleep apnea clinic because she's not sleeping well. So you will avoid all of that if you understand what her problem is. And it's related to one system that is causing a plethora of symptoms. And that is my pet peeve with medicine today. A woman who presents with a few symptoms suggestive of depression in her mid-50s and 40s or 60s get placed on an antidepressant very quickly today. And it's a way of saying, I'm looking at your problem and here's your pill, come in 6 months or 1 year. But it's not doing anything for the patient other than maybe relieving something for her. But it causes multiple problems because that antidepressant has multiple side
Not only
effects.
that, he puts her on an antidepressant
Yeah.
because, yes, those wide-ranging symptoms can be depression. But at her stage in life, it's menopause.
Well,
99.9% of the time, it's menopause.
So the point here, Dr. Mixon, is that a whole generation of women have been deprived of hormone replacement therapies, and a whole generation of doctors don't know that this is menopause and they don't know how to treat it.